You know, my biggest hang up every day is trying to find a place to park for the night. You're in a different place all the time. When you're OTR, you never know where you're going to be until the end of the day, and then you got to find a place to shut down and get a good night's sleep. And the question is it full? Is there any place around where I can legally park? My name is Kevin. I'm a solo driver for Crete Carrier, and you're watching The Joy of Trucking. And I want to tell you, my favorite app on my phone helps me do just that. This is an app that shows all the truck stops, all the rest stops, and it even shows Walmarts, because sometimes you can sneak into one of those. Just a parking place on the side of the highway even. It shows all of them. It's called Trucker Path. And I've been using this app for 5 years now, and I rely on it for a lot of things, but that is probably the most important one, because every day you got to find a place to sleep. Here's some information down here. It has the name and the exit number, the location, everything, but see these down here? It tells you if there are any spots available, and as you can see, that Love's on I-95 is full. It's been full for the last 4 hours, so there's no room to stop there. And if I was on that road, I would just keep on going. I wouldn't waste time pulling in and driving around the parking lot, maybe getting stuck behind other guys who are trying to get fuel or something, waste 20 minutes of my clock when it's running down at the end of the day. I know right now I ain't going to this place, but you can see there's a lot of different places where you can check. It shows, you can set it to show you even the Circle K's and the Road Rangers, the mom and pop places. They can all show up there. It'll tell you how many spaces each place has. If it has no overnight parking, it'll tell you if there's showers, if there's scales. That's a lot of information. But like I said, the most important thing for me is finding a place to sleep every night. So yeah, Trucker Path is it for me. And if you watch in future videos, I'll go through a lot of the other features. Like I said, I rely on this thing a lot. This app is on all day long, every day while I'm driving, because there's a lot of other information I get from it. So we'll do more on Trucker Path in the future. So we do mention Trucker Path on our videos quite often because I like it so much. It's one of my favorite things. And lo and behold, Trucker Path sent us a box. What's in this box? It's kind of big for an app. I don't think it's their app. It's kind of small for a truck. I don't think they sent us a truck. Maybe it's Trucker Path swag. Let's see. We have some lovely brown paper. Ooh. Ooh. Look at this. Got a nice tote bag. Got a wonderful hat with their logo. Man, this is good. Oh, the portable cutlery set by Trucker Path. Appears to be a shirt. Pretty nice V-neck, Trucker Path. Wow. So that black one was Tanya's shirt. This is mine. We're sporting all the swag. What? There's a strange white box with no label. It could be. That's a charging cord. Trucker Path Command. One of their new features. It's one of those power supplies. I like those. Keep it handy, especially when you're camping. You want to charge your phone in the bush. We got a box here with auto induction wireless charging phone stand. Wow! That's some good stuff. Pull twice to extend. Mobile phone stand. That goes on the back of your phone, right? Yeah. This, oh my God, somebody knows we got dogs. You know what this is? Do you know what this is? It's the Trucker Path dog poop bag holder. Oh my gosh, that's just what I needed. We got 2 of our leashes that need these, right? Dang. Oh, and the multi-prong charge cord. USB, USB-C, the old one, and comes with a key ring, Trucker Path. And look, honey, there's a bag for you too. Same stuff. Well, that's real nice of them. What do you think this is? A nice Ziploc bag. Is that like a towel? What does it say, huh? Is this your truck stop shower towel? Go further. Or is that your Super Bowl crying towel? One for you too. Oh, there's something very practical. You know what that is? Okay. And I just got one for Christmas. I was going to bite it, but the last time I did that, I chipped a tooth. Okay. Can you guess? The old reflective safety vest from Trucker Path. Got some nice pockets here. Zips. Big pockets. Yeah. You like the color? It's even got a collar. Wow. I feel safer already. And one for my honey. There's Tanya's. More lovely brown packing paper. Love this stuff. All right. Well, I got some gear for my next OTR ride. Wow. This is great. Thank you so much, Trucker Path. We're gonna get a lot of use out of all this stuff. Well, we sure appreciate this box full of goodies from Trucker Path and a lot of different things, all very practical and useful stuff. It's going to be great. All right. And I don't mind promoting my favorite phone app for truckers at the same time. So like I said, we'll have more stories about Trucker Path in the future. I'm going to talk about a lot of the other features that you get with Trucker Path, a lot of information, a lot of cool stuff, and they have an upper level where you get even more special features and good stuff. Good stuff too if you're an owner-operator, a lot of extra features for owner-operators. I'm on the free version right now, and I'm super happy with everything that I get on that. Did you take notice of the lovely shirt I'm wearing? This is the latest design by Tanya, and let's see a nice picture on the back. And here's one I got for my honey. Look at this. Aww. So, check out joyoftruckingstore.com. Give us a thumbs up. Comments down below. Let me know what you think of all this swag. And hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell. And we're going to see you down the road wearing our cool Trucker Path stuff.